Welcome to HackMeNow. This is no ordinary game. Here, you're dropped into a world of terminals, commands, and systems waiting to be cracked.
Your mission is simple. Learn to think like a hacker, act like an operator, and defend like a sysadmin.
The first 4 levels are training grounds. You will practice Linux-style commands, explore fake file systems.
Already confident? Skip straight to level 5. But beware, from there, the gloves come off. Level 5 marks the start of true operations. Social engineering, remote access, privilege escalation. This is where it gets serious. Lost? Type help for command references. Use hint for nudges. And check objectives anytime to track your progress.
But remember, every move is being watched. Defenders are scanning logs and hunting intruders.
A wrong keystroke might expose you. Reroute quickly, erase your traces, or face being locked out. Play smart, and you'll break through. Access granted, secrets revealed, and flags captured. HackMeNow is more than a game. It's your playground, your puzzle box, your proving ground. Welcome to the system.